So I filed down that so it fits in one of these electrical connectors, and we'll just put the cable into the other end. I don't know if I got these on the right side, but hopefully that will hold. Okay, so I did have to flip this around to face out that way, screw it in, and clip this in. So clip that in, put that on, and that in there, and then put this over that thing so it'll pull, and go from there. So seems to be okay. I think when the door's closed there's a lot more tension on that cable, but we'll see.